Yo, what's up, y'all? It's Mo. Welcome back. It's Monday, June 23rd. Y'all, this week's gonna be absolutely insane. We had a lot of crazy shit happen over the weekend, as y'all know. I bet a lot of crazy shit that's going on in the world right now. It's definitely gonna influence the market. So if we look, we have news at 9:45, and we have an orange folder at 10. Tomorrow we also have red folder at 10. Wednesday, another red folder at 10. Thursday, Friday. We got news every single day this week. High impact news every single day. So, and usually what I've noticed is the last week of the month is always the best price action. So let's really hope this week is a good price action. And not even that. Honestly, I've reviewed my trades and I've looked back. I've watched my previous videos the last 2 weeks. There honestly has been good setups, even on days when I'm saying the market conditions have been untradeable and all this, that, and the third, poor price action day. Honestly, there's been good setups. I've just been missing them. And not taking them. And yeah, I definitely just got to be better. My execution's got to be better. Like I was saying, it only comes down to, like, I noticed mainly what I've been, I think a lot of my problem is that I've been distracted on the charts. I've been on my phone, not fully paying attention. I need to just be, when I'm trading, I'm just locked in on the charts. This is all I'm focused on. And then I'm literally only looking for one thing to happen. My buy or sell model. I'm only looking for one thing. When it forms, I take it. If I lose, I lose. If I win, cool. But yeah, that's all I need to do. I just need to get back to being very habit oriented, very process oriented. I feel like I've been focused on the money a little bit too much the last 2 weeks. That's kind of part of the reason why I've been losing. And yeah, I just need to be focused on good habits. Once I enter a trade, just stay in it, let it play out, and yeah, it doesn't matter the outcome. So market's about to open up. Let's do some top-down analysis real quick. On the daily, we're still kind of chopping. On the 4-hour, we see we were in this range, but then we finally took this liquidity. We have a lot of generated buy side, but we had this opening gap that we pushed up to. We've been respecting this 1 hour for value gap right here, but we've also been respecting this. So we did inverse this. Okay, right now we're pushing down like crazy. First swing low prior to 8:30 is this. We'll see what happens if price takes this liquidity right here. Like I said, last 2 weeks have been rough for me, rough for my trading. I'm down on both those weeks, but it's not even just because I'm down. It's like the reason why I'm down. You know, not staying in my trades, missing out on textbook setups, taking bad trades. Like, yeah, definitely just wasn't the best last 2 weeks, but we feel good. I went to Sedona yesterday and did this hike out there. Amazing hike. It was pretty fucking hard, honestly, but yeah, it was amazing. Nice little solo road trip, you know. Get the mental right. Have the mind clear for this shit, man. I want to see if we hold this 1 hour. I got my sleep schedule a little bit better, too. I've been going to bed hella early because the last few days I've been having to wake up super early at like 5 a.m. So it's been helping me. And obviously, like, since I went on the hike yesterday, I was tired as fuck. Like, I've been doing good going to bed early at like 9, waking up. Trying to wake up a little bit earlier. I was waking up at 6 a.m. For the past like month, and then getting up at like basically market open at like 6:20, 6:25. But now I'm setting my alarm for 15 minutes earlier, waking up at 5:45, being up by like 6:05. Okay, so right now we just took this. We are inside this 1 hour for value gap, and we just took the sell side. Let me look at ES. Bullish SMT. Bullish SMT right here. We took this. ES, we're not even close. So we got bullish SMT, y'all. Holy shit. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're pushing up heavily. Right now, we're not getting no type of retracement. Just need to wait for it. News about to come on in 3 minutes. I'm setting a limit order to see if I can, see if it'll wick me in. Honestly, oh.
The market is open.
What the fuck was that? Oh my god, we're gonna buy out from here, aren't we? Filled this 1 minute. Barely. We barely filled that bitch, though. We're about to fucking shoot up. Watch this, y'all. Ready? I was hoping news would, you see how it like went crazy? I was hoping it could like wick us in. Just didn't drop low enough. See, I don't know if this was another day of me missing a setup. Did have that straight buy up after inversing these gaps. We did have that tap into. Obviously, y'all saw I had my limit order here at a fib level. I think it's at the 50%, but we obviously barely tapped into it, and then we've been buying. So
order filled.
Low 2 to 1 right here. See if you can get a little scalp to start the week at least.
Order filled.
$8 profit. Did I miss another textbook setup today, y'all? Be honest. Did I miss another textbook setup today? We already know we had the bullish SMT with inside that 1 hour fair value gap that we were respecting. Inverse of this gap, we did tap in. Bro, my execution, man. That's literally that's the only thing. That's the only thing that's holding me back from being profitable, bro, is my execution. What am I thinking? Like, I go back to my videos and I watch and I'm like, what am I thinking? Why am I being greedy? It's always something. It's always something, right? It's either I'm not looking at the right time frame, I'm too zoomed in, I'm not waiting for confirmation. Something. It's always something. Like, we tapped in a good amount here. Why am I putting my shit all the way down here, bro? Like, yeah, it's sad, man. TP would have just smacked. Literally, if we look at my system, right? What is my risk management? 100 points max. Mainly I want to aim for under 80. So if I'm risking under 80 points, just like this, even if I put my stop here, that's 81. That's right at 80. Even if I put it all the way at the low, realistically, I would have put it here. So that would have been 57. Why am I not taking this? Why am I not putting my limit order in the middle of this? Why am I not putting it right at the start? Why am I putting this in the middle of this? Same as like the 2 minute. Okay, if I put it right at the start, boom. That's 60 points. Why am I not doing that? Why? That's what's frustrating. It's like, I'm not even following my own risk management. I'm being too greedy. I'm trying to go for fucking like 30 point stop. It's like, no, that's not realistic. Like, give myself room. Right after we inverse these gaps, after taking that sales and having that bullish SMT, put a limit order here or just enter right when it gets there. Boom, I'm in, stop, we're good. And then eventually, look, literally just 2 minutes later, we get a big push up. Then I can even move stop to here or something like that. You know what I mean? Then I can adjust my risk a little bit. Or we get above here, move stop under this low. Like, I don't know why. I don't know why, man. Yeah, yo, I just got to be better at my execution. I say it every day. And it's the only reason why I'm still struggling. It's the only reason why I'm not profitable. It's literally my execution. I've developed my psychology. I've developed my habits very good with like only taking 2 trades a day max. Obviously, my risk management's amazing, but it's too fucking, like, I'm being way too defensive. And I'm being like too scared. And yeah, like I've developed my, like, I know exactly what I'm looking for in the market. It's really just my execution. That's all it comes down to. I'm off this bitch though. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Hopefully it's a good day tomorrow. And yeah, just gotta work on my shit, man. Just gotta work on this shit. Another day. At least we're not down on the day. But again, could be up. Could be up. My account, I could be so close to passing this combine right now. But alright, y'all. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Y'all have a good one, and yeah.